On 19th May 2025, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited the Shillong Government College of Engineering following AICTE's approval to launch undergraduate courses in civil and electrical engineering from the 2025-26 academic session. During his visit, he reviewed the college's infrastructure and assured support for necessary upgrades. He also agreed to expand the Chief Minister's Research Fellowship to include science and technology. This marks the state's first government engineering college, set to admit 30 students per course initially.
Different kind of merging also take place. Like you have to come up with innovative.
AI and all.
Yeah, exactly. You have to come up with innovative courses. So think about it, plan it well. Let's not be in a hurry. But yeah, we'll do it fast. But that doesn't mean this. I don't want it to be because it's a major decision. So we are here in the Shillong Engineering College premises, and we have come to see the overall infrastructure set up. And as you all know, that the All India Council for Technical Education has approved the college, and at least for certain courses that we can start now. And with this approval from the AICTE, we'll be able to start the academic year from this year itself. So sometime around August, post-August 15th, the classes will start. And therefore I have just come to see whether the arrangements are sufficient and whether anything needs to be done to ensure that the classes can start smoothly. And that is my purpose of my visit, and I'm very happy that the department has worked very hard, number one, to get this approval, and number two, they have also made necessary arrangements so that classes will be able to start. This is a very important phase and a step for us from the education point of view, and we've been waiting for this very long, and I'm very happy that finally the Shillong Engineering College will start and classes will resume from this academic year.